Forming two-digit numbers using bundles of 10 place value. Children, today in this video, we will learn to form two-digit numbers using bundles of 10. Children, in the last video, we learned to make groups of tens and write the numbers in tens and ones boxes. Today we will carry forward that topic. Look, here are some jars filled with marbles. Let us count. The first jar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles. This means that this is one group of tens. Billy, you count the marbles in the second jar.
Yes, ma'am. In the second jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles.
Yes, that is correct. So there are 10 and 10, 20, two groups of tens. Now look, here in the third jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles. So, this makes it 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30. Three groups of tens. Now Lily, you count the marbles in the fourth jar.
In the fourth jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles.
Absolutely right. So these are 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. 30 and 10, 40. Four groups of tens. This fifth jar also has 10 marbles. This makes it 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. 30 and 10, 40. 40 and 10, 50. Five groups of tens. Look, the sixth jar also has 10 marbles. This makes it 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. 30 and 10, 40. 40 and 10, 50. 50 and 10, 60. So, these are 6 groups of tens. Now, you tell me, Lily, how many groups of tens do we have?
We have 6 groups of 10 marbles each.
That's right. This is why we will write 6 in the tens box here. Now, you tell me, Billy, how many marbles are there in the seventh jar?
Ma'am, the seventh jar is empty.
Yes, there is not even one marble in the seventh jar. So we have to write 0 in the ones box. Now, we have 6 in the tens box, which means 60. And 0 in the ones box, which means there is not even one marble there. So there are 60 marbles in total. Understood, children? A group of 10 objects is called one group of tens. Similarly, whatever is the number of groups you have to write that number in the tens box. And when there is not even one object in the group, you have to write 0 in the ones box.
We understood.
Now look, in this empty 7 jar, I am putting some marbles in it. Now tell me, Lily, how many marbles are there in total?
Here in the first 6 jars, there are groups of 10 marbles each. That means there are 6 groups of 10 marbles each. That is why in the tens box, we have to write 6.
Well done, Lily.
Now in the 7th jar, we have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 marbles. So in the ones box we have to write 8.
Well done, Billy. But my question was, how many marbles are there in total?
Here in the tens box there is 6, which means 60 marbles, and in the ones box there is 8. That means there are 8 marbles. That is why there are 60 and 8, 68 marbles in total.
Yes, well done. Now look, children. I will teach you how to expand 68 into two parts. 68 has 6 tens and 8 ones. So 6 tens means we have to write 60 and 8 ones means we have to write 8 here. Come on, Billy. Now try to expand and tell the numbers written here on the board.
28 has 2 tens and 8 ones. So 28's expansion is 20 and 8.
Very good, children. Now see you in the next class. Children, in this video, you learn to expand two-digit numbers and write it in boxes of tens and ones. In the next video, through examples, we will learn how to expand two-digit numbers and understand it well. Children, in this video, we will learn to form two-digit numbers using bundles through some interesting examples. Children, in the last class you had learnt to form numbers in the groups of tens.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us see through some examples how much you remember. Look, there is an abacus given here. You have to look at it and form a number. Lily, you tell us.
In the abacus given here, in the tens box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 beads. So in the tens box we have to write 7.
Very good.
Now in the ones box in the abacus there are 1, 2 and 3 beads. So in the ones box we have to write 3.
Well done.
Now here in the tens box 7 tens means 70 and in the ones box 3 ones means 3. So adding 70 and 3 makes it number 73.
Absolutely correct. Now how will you expand 73 into two parts?
73 means 7 tens and 3 ones, meaning its two parts will be 70 and 3.
Well done. Now let us look at the second example. Look, Billy, here we have to count one small block as 1. Now tell me, what number do all these blocks represent?
Here in the first big block there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 small blocks, means there is 1 tens.
Well done, Billy.
Similarly, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups of 10 blocks each. So 6 tens make 60. Now there are 2 small blocks, which means there are 2 ones.
Very good.
Now adding 2 to 60, here we have 60 and 2, giving us number 62.
Now, how will you expand 62 into two parts?
62 means 6 tens and 2 ones. That means the two parts will be 60 and 2.
Absolutely right, Billy.
Children, you saw Lily Billy form
two-digit numbers with the help of abacus and blocks. In the next video, we will understand some interesting facts about forming two-digit numbers with the help of bundles of tens. Children, today we will learn interesting facts about forming two-digit numbers using bundles, place value. Children, can you make bundles of tens out of these 43 ice cream sticks?
But ma'am, these are 43 ice cream sticks. How can we make bundles of tens out of these?
Let me explain. There are 43 ice cream sticks. First of all, make one bundle of tens out of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here is one bundle of tens. Come on, Billy. Now make the second bundle of tens from the remaining sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
This is the second bundle of tens. Now form the remaining bundles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Look, we made a third bundle of tens also. Lily, now you say whether you can make another bundle of tens from the remaining sticks or not.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ma'am, this has also become a bundle of 10.
Good. Now we have 4 bundles of tens. Who will count further?
I will count 1, 2 and 3.
Here is the 5th bundle of tens. Hey Billy, what is this? Bundles of tens means that group must have 10 objects. Here there are only 3 sticks, so we cannot make a bundle of 10 with them. It means that to make a bundle of tens, a total of 10 objects are to be kept in one group together. Yes. How many groups of tens are there?
There are 4 groups of tens, meaning 4 tens.
4 tens means 40. Now besides the bundles of tens, how many sticks are left?
There are 3 sticks left.
Adding 1, 2 and 3 to 40 makes 43. Children, remember a group of tens mean a group of 10 objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, today we learned interesting facts about forming two-digit numbers using bundles of tens. In the next video, we will learn adding numbers through grouping.